Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're talking about something critically important to your financial future: investing. I know what you might be thinking. Investing is for rich people. I don't have enough money to start. That is nonsense. You must get that thought out of your head right now. Investing is not a luxury, it is a necessity for every single person who wants to build a secure financial life. Not too long ago, investing was intimidating and expensive. High fees, large minimums, and confusing language. But those days are over. Wealth is no longer locked in a Wall Street tower, it's right here in your hand. Technology has democratized investing. It tore down old barriers and made it possible for anyone to start. With a few taps, you can open an account, connect your bank, and make your first investment. My first pick is Fidelity. Commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, incredible research tools, and zero-fee mutual funds. It can grow with you from beginner to expert. My second choice is Vanguard. Famous for low-cost index funds and set-it-and-forget-it investing. Perfect for steady long-term wealth building. Next is Acorns. Brilliant for people who think they don't have money to invest. It automatically invests your spare change. Buy coffee for $4.50, Acorns rounds up to $5 and invests the 50 cents. Choosing an investing app is like choosing a business partner for your financial future. Consider your personality and habits. Are you hands-on, researching individual stocks? Or do you prefer setting up an automatic plan? Always look at the fees. They're a silent drain on your wealth over time. Choose an app with strong educational resources. When you're starting, you'll have questions. Feeling supported is key to staying the course. The only thing left is for you to take action. The single biggest mistake in investing is not starting. The perfect time is now. The right amount of money is what you have today. Investing just $20 a week might not sound like much, but over decades, with compound growth, it can become truly substantial. Today, not tomorrow. Choose one of these apps, download it. Open an account, connect your bank, make your first investment, even if it's only $5. You are strong, you are smart, and you can be approved for a wealthy life. Now go do it.